Welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm going to talk about this financial sentiment analysis in different languages, okay, or say your own language. Okay, so suppose if you got some text, okay, whether it in any languages, okay, and you need to convert them in your own language to understand them better. Okay, so today I'm gonna do that thing. Okay, and after conversion I will convert them into in speech, so text to speech for better understanding. Okay, so let's follow this. So before this I must say that whatever the sentiment analysis, if you google this stuff, okay, especially you find it out that more of the sentiment analysis done through Twitter. Okay, because Twitter got each and everything, whatever the news, okay, in a format of some short content, okay, and which you can follow, just copy paste or say extract, or say you can utilize the Twitter API and can perform the analysis as per your requirement. Okay, so before that I already done video on financial news sentiment analysis. Okay, so these are the two videos, okay, which will give you explanation, a clean explanations, from that you can understand. So here I've been done a financial news sentiment analysis, and I've been utilized this news sentiment analysis for placing order. Okay, so this is the way you should go. You should perform an analysis for yourself, and if you are really understood that part, you then really convert them for placing orders, and it surely help you to make good profit. Okay, so for this purpose, if you got the new sentiment analysis, you definitely need a broker, okay, for to perform to put orders or say perform programmatic trading. For that I must say you can open an account under Allies Blue. Okay, Allies Blue offers free API and WebSocket data, which will be very helpful in your programmatic trading, as part which I am doing right now. Okay, so what you can do is, like, you can follow the link which is given in the descriptions, open an account in Allies Blue, just say name, email address, select the state Karnataka, mobile number, give it, and open an account with the help of Aadhaar and PAN instantly. Okay, so yeah, so next what we have to do is, like, first of all we have to, if you say, suppose if you are in Twitter, and say suppose if you want to follow me in Twitter, you can follow me twitter.com/profitdata. If you search Profit Data, you will definitely get a Twitter account of mine. You can follow me here. Okay, and say suppose if you got this analysis part, you definitely knew that some of whether whatever Economic Times, Bloomberg, or investing.com, or any like website whichever giving you news, especially in part of finance, they definitely will be in a Twitter, and in a short they will definitely gonna give the news. Okay, so from this part you can definitely can perform the financial sentiment analysis. So it will these two videos will definitely give you a broad knowledge on this part, so please watch, it will definitely gonna help. Okay, so let's do this stuff. So follow me on Twitter, link in the description, and just check the notification as you see, or search it out, whichever financial news portal is there, they're definitely gonna give the news. So if I say that I'm gonna go for the Bloomberg, so right now what happens there, various news will be there. So what I have to do is, like, I have to select anyone which is like impact to me, or say anyone which is like helpful for my analysis and further which I can do. Okay, so suppose if this news which is like described about this chart, so I need to take what exactly the meaning of this this thing, or this subject, or this paragraph. So what you can do is, like, you can copy simple this stuff, or otherwise you can use the Twitter API, can extract those things and can do as such. Okay, so first of all we just copy this stuff. So this is definitely an English part. So first of all you can perform in any different languages, as I said. Okay, so I will just show you how you can do this stuff. So I just copied. Okay, so we will we will check what are the different languages which we can perform. So there is a Google Trans is there. So what you can do is in a CMD just say pip install Google Trans and you will get this stuff. Okay, so this is what you can do. Just just import the Google Trans and just you should have this code for source and destination purpose. Okay, so check what are the source and destination. So Google translation got each and everything. Okay, so translator, it translate better. Okay, so it got each and every languages, so which you can check. Okay, and you can check the code. You really require this code to perform further in your languages. So right now I will go from English to Hindi and then Hindi to English. Okay, so we'll check the code of how you can check the code. Okay, so here it will be like languages are there and you need to get the code of that thing. So you can convert this stuff, this is in JSON format, so you can easily extract whatever source and destination from that part and can see and check around what other things are there, and you can add source and destination from it. So we'll go for the it is in a sequence wise ABCD. So we'll check English. So English, for English it is EN, and for English whatever it is there we will translate them text translation into Hindi. So we have to check for the Hindi. So A B C D F G H G H. Okay, so it should be here itself. Okay, yeah, I think for yeah, Hindi. So for Hindi it should be HI. Okay, simple. Okay, so you got your Hindi. So same way, so whichever language you want, please go through this stuff and try it out. Okay, so here we got Google Trans. So first of all we'll convert them into text and then we will go further. So we will from Google Trans we need to translate. Okay, so from Google Trans import translator. Okay, so it will help to translate our whatever language is there. Okay, so we'll say T equals, so it will be in a better format, we can perform in an easy way. So we'll say T equals translator. So first of all we'll try to do this stuff. So English is there and I want to perform this stuff in an Hindi. Okay, so whatever I got this translator, so we have to say T dot translate. Okay, this English stuff in which our source will be in English, which is EN, which we have to write the code, and destination will be our Hindi, so which is HI. Okay, and so suppose you can get it from by googling this stuff, so you will get to know. So these are the stuffs are there, so these are the codes are available which you can google it out and you can get it from here. So English EN, and then if you say Hindi HI. Okay, so this is also you can follow. Okay, so we got this stuff. Now we need to translate. Okay, so we will say Hindi equals Hindi dot text. So please follow properly, don't miss anything, otherwise the format conversion will get wrong and you won't able to get what we're trying here. So we got, so whatever we got our English stuff in Hindi, and I if I know Hindi language, so suppose if your language is Hindi, you will be able to understand and read this format. Okay, so this thing will definitely gonna help you a lot. Okay, so this is how you should go for this thing. So you can easily can convert English into Hindi, then read it out stuff and understand them better, perform the analysis. From this you can take the decisions. Okay, so suppose if you studied only Hindi or say any of language and further you don't know, so suppose if you got some Hindi news or say Chinese, Tamil or something, and you really need to decode them, so this is the better stuff which you need to do. Okay, so decode them, understand them better, and then go for. So sometimes the news or analysis or some portal are very much interesting, but they are in different languages, so which you can convert, can understand them better. Okay, so this is you need to follow. So our translation is done. So now what we have to do is like whatever we got the text, we need to convert them in a speech for our better understanding. So what we can do is like we can follow this GTTS, Google Text to Speech. So what you can do is like you can download this GTTS by simple in a CMD pip install GTTS. Okay, so this is what you have to do, pip install GTTS, and same with the pip install Google Trans, so it will help. So from GTTS import, this is the format you need to find, capital double T and capital S. Okay, and in between this translation what happens, sometimes you get warning also. So what you can do is like you can import this module to avoid that red color thing. Okay, it doesn't look cool, which I need to avoid. So what I have to say is like warnings dot filter warnings, and I need to ignore them. Okay, so here it is done. So we converted them into Hindi. Right now it is not in English, it is in Hindi, and I need to convert them in a speech. Okay, so it will be in a MP3 format. So what I have to do is like we have to follow this Hindi text to speech. So what we have to do is like G double TS. So this is the format which you need to follow. So text equals Hindi. Okay, and in between there is language will be there. Okay, so language is it is obvious that it is Hindi. Okay, and you should not be slow, you should be quick. Okay, and I need to save this stuff, Hindi TS dot save Hindi TS dot MP3. And same way, if you you save this format, but at the same time you need to call. Okay, and you need to run instantly. So what you can do is like you can call the system, OS system, say OS dot system, and you can call this MP3 for start. Okay, so if everything is good, it will definitely gonna start and play the text to speech. Okay, so let's go for this thing. Okay, so I think and you can hear the stuff. Okay, yeah, so I think you understood this thing better. Okay, and try to carry this stuff as I said. Okay, same thing as we earlier converted this print statement Hindi dot text. So what you can do is like you can just say Hindi equals whatever stuff you got, just paste it in this stuff, or say you got a text file, okay, paste it, or say like a format, you saved it in a notepad and convert them in your required languages and perform the analysis. It will be very much helpful. Say I have been done this analysis in English itself, So what you can do is like you can, whatever the language is there, just choose this stuff and change this source and destination, convert them into English and perform as per your requirement. Okay, so it will definitely gonna help your analysis, and further you can make your own decision, and you can get good profit from this thing. Okay, and there is a broad perspective are there which you can think and try to perform, and this is up to you. This is have been done, so you can same as do with the Hindi itself, Hindi to English and any language whichever you want. So just check it out your language, the code is available, just Google through this stuff and it will definitely gonna help. I will paste this code, so check this code, and if you got any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, please do comment below, okay, regarding this video. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct via WhatsApp. Thank you.